wrongful death attorney. She joins us now from Orlando, Florida. Hi there. It's a pleasure seeing you again. Firstly, your reaction to the verdict.
I think I'm reacting like everyone else. I'm very happy that this happened. Even though it should have, this is the right verdict. There was a video that showed a man being killed on video. And the fact that we have to all be happy about this, that brings some conflicting feelings. I will tell you, in this case was very unusual in that you had Jerry Blackwell, who was a private attorney acting as the prosecutor. You had Dr. Lindsay Thomas come in and act as the private medical examiner. And so the fact that you had these people who volunteered, Dr. Chauvin, who volunteered his time to come and testify, to get justice for something that was so obvious and on film, I think that that's an indictment on this criminal justice system when it comes to policing, to police violence.
With that in mind, former President Barack Obama released a statement saying, with today's verdict, may have been a necessary step on the road to progress, it was far from a sufficient one. What do you think he means by that?
I think he's saying that the fact that this is one person, during the trial of George Floyd, the national media reported 3 other deaths of Black men at the hands of the police. So I think what he means is that, one victory to one family getting justice doesn't replace all the families who did not get justice and who are still seeking justice.
Quite a few organizations in the Black community in the U.S. have responded as well. Black Lives Matter Global Network, the NAACP has responded as well, saying no amount of justice will bring George Floyd back. What do you think is the way forward? Because for such a long time, people in the U.S. of color, specifically African Americans, there's a stain on the community that they're lazy, good for nothing, untrustworthy. What do you think can change this stereotypical view of African Americans so that the country as a whole can actually heal and move forward as one?
Any views like that would be someone's personal issues. I don't think that if someone is leaning towards feeling that way, I don't think that it's our job as Black Americans to change how they feel. If they have those racist stereotypes, that's up to them to change and to figure it out. So it's just like what Martin Luther King said, as far as these cases with police violence, you can't legislate morality, but you can regulate people's behavior. So in this case, how you feel, we need laws to protect people and to protect citizens, Black citizens, from being killed by the police. And so how someone personally feels or their racist stereotypes, it's not the job of Black people to change that. It's up to them to change their own heart.
I completely agree. And unfortunately, I know way too many people who actually hold that perspective. We appreciate you appearing with the show. Thank you so much for that.